5 of the best bedtime drinks for diabetics. 1. Chamomile tea. This classic herbal tea is not only caffeine-free but also boasts calming properties that can help you relax and unwind before bed. Chamomile tea may also lower blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. 2. Cinnamon-infused water. Studies have shown that cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels. To make cinnamon-infused water, simply add a cinnamon stick to a pitcher of water and let it sit overnight in the refrigerator. 3. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is another great option for diabetics. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and may also improve insulin sensitivity. 4. Lemon balm tea. Lemon balm tea is known for its relaxing properties, which can be helpful for winding down before bed. It may also help lower heart rate and ease anxiety. 5. Unsweetened almond milk. While not technically a tea, unsweetened almond milk is a great low-carb, sugar-free alternative to cow's milk. It's also a good source of calcium and vitamin E. Important note: it is always best to consult with your doctor or registered dietitian before making any changes to your diet or drink routine.